If you ever struggle to put the lid back on a board game that's packed with components, here's a quick tip that might help. Check the plastic bags that comes with your board game. My estimate is that around 50% of them have this little hole in them, and the rest don't. That hole lets air escape when you seal the bag, so they take up less space in the box, and you don't have to manually squeeze out all the air. If your bags don't have a hole, I recommend using a leather hole punch. A regular paper hole punch often isn't strong enough to get through the plastic properly. I've also tried using scissors. It's not perfect, but it works. The trick is to use something pointy like a toothpick to push out the plastic and then cut off the top cleanly. You could also use a sharp knife to make a small cut, but be careful because straight cuts might tear over time and eventually ruin your bag. And that's the exact same reason why I don't cut the corners of the bag. And if you want more tips like this or ideas for upgrading your board games, check out my other videos. Happy gaming!
Spelar du in nu också eller?
Ja, det gör jag faktiskt.
Hej!